Do it, turn you on, shawty, tell me if I'm wrong. I can see it in your eyes.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working with Uprettyhair to review their 13x4 highlight body wave wig. Before we get into the specs of the hair, this is the box and the bag that they sent the wig in. They gave me a bunch of goodies, including a edge brush, hair clips, eyelashes, wig cap, a comb, and a scarf. And the last thing they gave me was a bonnet. And this is a huge bonnet. This bonnet is like bigger than my head. They also included their wig care instructions and socials in the box. And then this is the wig. It is a 16-inch body wave wig in 180% density. It comes pre-curled and pre-plucked, and the hair is super soft and manageable. I didn't experience any tangling, and I barely got any shedding, and it was just plucked so well. And the knots on this wig were super small. It has the typical cap construction with 4 combs instead of 3, and then adjustable straps. And this wig did fit me pretty well. I would say that it could also fit like a bigger size head because I had to adjust the straps for it to fit me a little tighter, but it wasn't loose at all. Before I start installing the wig, I'm going to just shorten the lace a little bit so that I can see better while I'm installing it. And I'm also going to go ahead and cut off the ear tabs so that when I glue it down, it'll fit my head perfectly. To install my wig, I'm going to go in with 2 layers of Ghost Bond, and my wig cap did start to slide back like in one area. So if you're using glue, I would be very careful not to get the glue in your edges. I did get a little bit in my edges, but I'm personally not concerned about that. But if I were you, I would definitely be careful about getting too much glue in your edges, as it can be damaging to your hairline. So after letting one layer of glue dry, I just do another layer, and then I spread that layer out with my popsicle stick. Once that glue dries clear, I'll go ahead and pull my wig down over the glue, like kind of in front of where the glue is, but I'm not going to press the wig down into the glue until I have it exactly where I want it, because once you press it down into the glue and you try to like lift it back up to fix it, it'll mess up the install. So once I've got the wig exactly where I want it, I'm going to use my comb to press the lace into the glue and comb the hair back out of the way at the same time. So this is going to kind of like secure the wig into the glue and just keep it right where I want it until I put my elastic band on. But before I do that, I do like to go in with my blow dryer and just blow dry it for a few more minutes, maybe like 2 to 3 more minutes, just to dry it a little bit more and comb through it a little bit more before I put my elastic band on. So once I'm finished blow drying, I'm just going to go ahead and tightly secure my wig with my elastic band so that the lace melts into the glue. And then I'm going to go in and start styling the hair. The first thing I like to do is get my wig as flat as possible. So I'm going to go in with my wax stick and hot comb combination, and I'm just going to flatten out the top of the wig, and I'm going to flatten out and push back the hairs that are like in front of the hairline until everything is as flat as I want it to be. So after I've gotten the top flat, I'm just going to detangle my hair, and then I'm going to clip the hair out of the way so that I can go back in and finish installing the lace. So I'm going to use my scissors just to split the lace down the middle, make it easier to use my eyebrow razor to cut the lace off with. I like using the eyebrow razor so that I don't have a bluntly cut hairline. The eyebrow razor just gives me that jagged edge that just makes the hairline look more natural. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning out my baby hairs. And I also use that same eyebrow razor to cut the baby hairs shorter. And then you'll see me curl them upward and style them. I'm going to let you guys watch me do that. I did use my Ebin adhesive spray to style them and spray along my hairline to melt my lace further. So the last step in doing my baby hairs is just spraying my hairspray along my hairline and then tying my elastic band back on to melt the lace further. You can also add makeup to the hairline during this step as well before you put the band on, just so it's a little bit more seamless. And then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and just recurl my hair. And you'll see me like, I just did like flat iron curls all the way around. And I'll also leave in like if I had to do any touch-ups, because I didn't let the curls like cool all the way, so they did fall a little bit, but I kind of wanted them to like be loose in a way so that they would fall more like effortlessly. So I'll let you guys watch me do that, and then I will come back at the end. Once I'm finished curling my hair, I'm just going to like rake my fingers through it to just kind of have like messy curls. And then if there's anything that I feel like I don't like, I'll just recurl it until I get the desired look. I also didn't cut layers into it because I kind of wanted to keep it all the same length in case I wanted to change the style later on, which I did. This is the same wig that I had on in my what's in my purse video, and I didn't want to cut layers in it just so that I would have more versatility with this wig. I feel like when you cut layers, it can be difficult to do other styles. Not impossible, but just a little bit more difficult to get the desired look. And I like that this hair was all the same length. But if you want the curls to frame your face better, I would definitely cut layers into it. So now that I've gotten my hair how I want it, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and just add that to my part to make my part pop because it wasn't really standing out to me. And I like to use a brush to apply that. I feel like I apply it much neater this way. So you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this wig. It is buttery soft. Like, it is super soft. I didn't experience any tangling and it barely shed, and the lace melted to my skin so well. I also feel like it was a little bit longer than 16 inches because when I straightened it, it was giving more like 18 inches. So I would say it's true to length, if not longer. And this color combination was done so well. It matched my skin tone so well. I got so many compliments. I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box. Thank you, Uprettywig, for sending me this wig. I'm absolutely in love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.